we are going to prepare banana cake, no? Okay, already mashed the banana. This is green banana, 1 kilo, and then sugar, red sugar. So I'm going to do 2 sets of banana cake. That's why 1 kilo, no? For 1 set is only half kilogram. Oh, I already put 3/4 cup of sugar, no? We need another set of sugar, no? 3/4 means 3 cup of 1/4. 1 2. It's yummy, no, when you use red sugar. Okay, let's mix. Let's mix. Let's remove this black coming from sugar. Huh? That is hard. Okay, and then we need 4 eggs. 4 eggs. Let's put 4 eggs. But before you are going to put egg, no, you should use this one. No, for you to make sure that your egg is not spoiled. Nah. Because if you put that automatically on your ingredients, you're wasting your ingredients. If the egg is spoiled. Okay, let's put, wait a minute. Okay, 1. Just make sure that the egg is okay. 3. And then last but not the least, 4. Mix it again. Mix it. Okay. It's good when you have a hand mixer for this. Okay. Let's just mix. Let me get my hand mixer after, later. Because we are going to put all-purpose here. So that we can mix it well. Now, okay. After this, we need 3/4 cups of corn oil or canola oil. Saucy. Corn oil. We need corn oil. I bought corn oil. A minute. Okay. Corn oil, 3/4. Let's put. Give it a minute, guys. I have corn oil here, no? Pricey. So, 3 more again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is 4 per set. And another 3/4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then let's mix again. Let's mix again. There you are. Let's put, after that, let's put all-purpose flour. No? We need all-purpose flour. Okay, let's set aside this one. Let's do the dry, no? Dry one. Okay, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, but it's too set. We need 4 cups. Okay, for dry ingredients, you need 4 cups of all-purpose for 1 kilo of banana. We need 4 cups. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. 3. Okay. 3. 4. 4 cups, and then we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, let's put baking soda. 2 teaspoons of 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, 1, 2, and then a pinch of salt. Let's put a pinch of salt. Just a little. Okay. So our banana cake is not that too sweet. And then let's put, now we need all-purpose cream, no? Half cup, so we double it, so we need 1 cup of all-purpose cream. Okay, then we put baking powder, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1, 2, 3, and another 1, 4. And then let's mix the dry ingredients. After this, we need to put all-purpose cream. We put na here. All-purpose cream, 1 cup. Actually, we need a half cup for first set. of ingredients. We need 1 cup of all-purpose cream. This is really yummy, guys, no? My banana cake. Yummy. So yummy, okay? One cup. Let's just mix here. Okay? Wait. Let's squeeze the excess. Let's squeeze excess on packaging. Because all-purpose cream is really pricey now. So, let's take it all. Let's take it all. Okay, mix. Let's mix. And then we are going to pour the wet ingredients. Let's pour here. Okay. Let's pour and mix our wet ingredients. You saw it already, isn't it? And we need mixer. I will be using hand mixer later. You know what? If you're here, you will really smell. It's yummy. No, it's yummy. The smell of this mixture. Really yummy. A minute. Okay. Let's mix first and then we use hand mixer. This is yummy. Let's put chocolate bits and my favorite, raisins. I should mix the raisins and chocolates in dry ingredients, no? So it will not sink the chocolate and raisins when you are baking the banana cake. But since it's already mixed, I already mixed the ingredients, we can put it here. Okay, let's put my chocolate. Wait, let me taste first. Yummy. Where is the raisins? Okay, really love these raisins. Okay, and later on we put raisins also when we are starting cooking. When we are starting baking. Let's mix it. Okay, let's use hand mixer because we need to mix well the all-purpose to banana. There are lumps, oh. There are still lumps. Okay, let's mix it. Wait. Okay, give me a minute. Let's mix this now using mixer. Mix, mix, mix. Let's mix. Okay, let's see if there is no no flour. Below. Yeah. It already mixed with banana na. Okay, a minute. Let's mix it again. Let's mix. Okay. Check if there is still lumps. One more round. Okay, after this we can prepare our oven. One more. That's it. Mix again. Okay. Let's prepare now our oven where we can cook. Okay. Wait for our baking time. Okay, done our mixture. We need to prepare our oven and baking pan. Okay. Wait for the second part. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Bye.